Into a pole in New Bedford near the Freetown line late last night, and 2 people inside had to be rushed to the hospital. As NBC 10's Brian Crandall reports, police departments from both communities responded to the scene.
The crash, a car crumpled. The passenger with very serious injuries, the driver was hurt too. The utility pole the car hit is splintered. It took rescue crews about 15 minutes to get the victims out of the car.
I heard the screeching of the tires and I heard a thump. I knew it was a crash. I ran to the window and I saw the accident scene when the crews were on scene already.
Neighbors say a Freetown police cruiser was right there, and they were told that the officer had been trying to stop the car that crashed. New Bedford police tell me that was the case, that the car was of interest to Freetown police, but it's unclear if the cruiser had its lights and sirens on. The crash is just over the Freetown line into New Bedford. The car is spun around from the direction it was going as it hopped the curb and wrapped around the pole. Bert Mello doesn't know what caused this crash, but he knows this section of Braley Road.
Well, the speed limit's 30 on this road, and people speed here all the time. So every time I try to pull into my driveway, somebody's behind me doing 50.
And no comment yet from Freetown police, and the impact did knock out power to some houses here along the side street. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News in New Bedford.